Okay, this is the drive that I'm going to use. It's a 64 gigabyte SSD that I've already formatted. I'm going to open it to show you that there's no files in it. There's a recycle bin, but that's what Windows sort of automatically puts when you install, like hook up a drive. It could, puts a recycle bin in it. There are no files in this on this drive. It's already been formatted. I head to the directory where I put TestDisk, and I'm looking for PhotoRec.Win.exe. We start it. We get into this section here, and this is where you choose the drive. I'm using a small 64 gigabyte SSD. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to hit enter. If yours is a 500 gig, for instance, you would choose the 500 gigabyte one. I'm going to hit enter on this one. You have to know the size of your drive. Okay, hit enter. Once you have clicked that, you're now into the area where it's asking you what partition you want to use. I'm going to use the unknown because that's the whole drive. I want to see how many files I can recover from the whole drive. You could use this one which is Microsoft Data, but I'll use this one called unknown, which is basically it's the whole drive, and I'm going to hit enter to choose that one. Once you choose the drive and the section of the partition that you want to recover, it will ask you which file system you want to recover. You're using Windows most likely, so you would choose FAT or NTFS. This one is for Linux. HFS is for Apple. We want to use the FAT NTFS type of file system. So we're just going to hit enter on that. Now this is going to ask you where you want to put the files. Just accept the default one and it will put all the files into different folders. So what we're going to do is hit C, and it's going to start recovering the files. Okay, this is where we were just before I had to take a break. The sound stopped recording. So it's recovering the files now. Already it's recovered 190 or 225 exe files. It's recovering a whole lot of files, and it's putting them right here in the folder where you had TestDisk. These are all folders full of your old files. Let it run. Don't do anything with your computer. Just go away and leave this as it's working. If you do something with your computer, most likely this will stop and you'll have to start all over again. If it runs for 15 or 20 hours, that's fine. You're getting your files back. Good luck.